Hey guys, kumusta? So, continuation ng ating project Nissan Sentra. So, mula nung magkabit ako ng voltmeter sa cigarette lighter, monitor ko na yung voltage ng kotse, which is a good thing. So, nung kinabit ko siya, okay naman, around 14 volts. No, pag binuksan mo lahat ng accessories pati AC, umabot ng 13.5, 13.4, okay lang 'yon. Pero nung nagde-drive na ako, napansin ko nagfa-fluctuate yung voltage. Nakakatakot pagka nasa stoplight tas red, bumababa hanggang 12.3 yung voltage. So, doon ako kinakabahan. Kaya sabi ko siguro panahon na para palitan yung alternator. Paano ka alternator, no? Anyway, nabili ko na yung alternator 3 months ago kasi nung time na ginagamit na ng anak ko ni JM tas ayaw mag-start, akala ko alternator ang problema. So bumili na ako ng alternator. Anyway, pag luma na ang kotse mo, assume mo na papalitan mo yung mga pyesa, no? Pero once na mapalitan mo, good as new yan. So, yan guys, yung alternator, I think second time ko magpapalit ng alternator. Yung una, yung sa kakilala ko, ako nagpalit. Pero sa mga kotse namin, first time ko to magpapalit. And due na rin siya magpalit ng serpentine belt. No, sabi ko, ano kaya palitan ko muna yung serpentine belt, baka nag-i-slip lang siya kasi due na rin 130,000. So maganda, sasabay ko na palit alternator, palit belt. Okay? So ang approach niyan, tanggalin natin tong panel na to. Tanggalin ko tong fan para meron tayong space na ma-pull out siya. And I think tatanggalin ko tong crossbar na to. So tara. Hi guys, so this is the brand new alternator being held by 2 bolts. The old one is being held by only 2 bolts and many connections. One here and one here. Let's do it. I said this is the first thing. No, we need to disconnect the battery first. Now we need to remove this. Okay, the bolts are out. Now we need to disconnect this, and this. Just remove the bolt here, and this piece can clear the radiator. Or we can remove this also. Okay guys, it's off. To remove the fan, I think we need to remove this bolt, and this whole piece. This one's off. Hey guys, it's off. Good thing I got it off before it gets dark. Okay, I found also my missing tool. Okay, now we have space. Hey guys, it's getting dark, so time to pack up. I already loosened this. This is a size 12 connection, and the 2 bolts are size 13. Let me just take it off. Okay, don't lose this. Okay, let's continue tomorrow. Guys, Monday na ngayon. Bigyan ko kayo update. Na-loosen ko na yung 2 bolt. Ayan. Ng alternator. So, wala nang humahawak sa kanya maliban sa serpentine belt. So, tanggalin natin yung serpentine belt. Okay guys, to remove the serpentine belt, unbolt this, and this is the tensioner. This is the belt. Okay, belt is off. I just use a size 14 and a size 15. So, oh no, yeah, size 18 and a size 14. Where's my size 14? It's still there. Okay. For the alternator, remove. Okay, it's all the way back, but it's hitting the frame, and this guy can totally remove. The other one, huh? Okay. Alright, I think this is the hardest part of the DIY project, is to remove the old alternator. I already removed the bolt on top side. It won't go all the way out. It just won't pop out. You need to slide it going that way. Okay. Hi guys, I think ito yung pinakamahirap, no, pero buti salamat sa YouTube may nagsi-share. So yung taas nga pwede mong tanggalin yung bolt, tinanggal ko na. Itong baba hindi, kasama siya palagi ng alternator. So may cut out dyan, hindi mo siya pwede hilahin puwersa yung pataas, masisira yung bracket na yung engine bracket. Hindi mo na siya pwede itulak pababa, masira. So dapat pa-slide papunta sa'yo. So habang binabata ko siya using this bolt, pinupukpok ko naman to pag ganun. So ayan, pwede na tanggalin yung alternator. Okay guys, eto natanggal ko na, no? Ito yung luma, ito yung bago. Compare natin yung mga connections dito, parehas. Okay, so 13 years old na to from the factory, 2013. Umiikot pa naman, kaso nga nagfa-fluctuate, no? So hula ko yung regulator niya eh. Naisip ko nga, palitan ko lang kaya yung regulator. Hindi rin eh, mas maganda palitan mo na lang lahat. Mas ganun din eh, yung labor ang mahirap eh. Mahirap pumasok para ma-reach to eh. Dami kong minaklas. So tara, install tayo. I'm just installing it by hand first, and then tighten it later. Okay guys, napansin ko lang na yung bagong alternator, maluwag pa yung bracket niya. Yan, so hanggang hinihigpitan, habang hinihigpitan mo lalong lumuluwag. Yung original, wala na, sikip na dito. Okay guys, alternator is in. It is tight. Okay. Now, I already compared the new belt with the old one. Similar in size, almost the same. So you need two hands. And I also compare the grooves. Okay, ready for the install. Okay guys, yung bagong serpentine belt na install na, sikip. Hirap na hirap ako. Kailangan pang galawin tong harmonic balancer, pero tinandaan ko ganyan ang position yan. Binalik ko rin, back and forth. Hopefully hindi ko na nasira yung timing niya, yung timing. Pero yan, pwede na siyang install. Pwede nang i-install yung wiring. Yan na, bagong serpentine belt. Okay, make sure it clicks. Yep. Then yes, take off the new bolt. I need to tighten it. Hi guys, let's test it. Before I put everything back together, let's test if the engine will run. Hope I didn't miss the messed up the timing here. Okay, here we go. Wow, perfect. And let's see, voltage 14.2, 14.3. Okay, okay, let's turn on the headlights. 13.2, the radio, and what else? AC. Okay. .1. Okay, stable. Pretty stable. Everything's running. Even the dome lights. So let's turn off the AC. That's 13.2. Okay. Let's turn off the that's the radio. Let's turn off the AC. 13.4. Let's turn off the headlight. Okay. Hi guys, yan, nakakatuwa naman makita na may bagong alternator tong 13-year-old na Nissan Sentra, no? And hindi ko nasira yung timing. Yung pala yun, may marka pala yun. Mas long as tatandaan mo yung marka, hindi mo masisira yung timing. And at least natutunan ko na nga paano magtanggal ng radiator fan din. Mahirap din pala tanggalin to. May technique. Ngayon alam ko na next time kung papalitan. Pinag-isipan ko nga papalitan ko yan eh. Sabi ko ay sayang, magana pa. At least alam ko na paano tanggalin. And yan, unti-unti bagong pyesa. Angat na angat oh, bago. So tatapusin ko na to, mahaba na tong video na to. Technically siguro sabihin ko na first time ko tong magpalit ng alternator. Yung unang alternator hindi successful yun, tsaka hindi akin yan. Ayan, tumatakbo na. May lakad kami ni AJ in 2 hours. Kailangan maibalik ko lahat to. So kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, please click like and subscribe para makagawa ako mas maraming video. See you next time. Bye.